Hi Margaret, sorry this has taken so long to get to you. Um, I'm about to go away until Thursday next week. So I'm just going to quickly look at my diary because this is going to be relevant to you. I'm working away until Thursday the 30th, and I want to place my next import order as soon as possible, week commencing the 3rd. So while I'm not going to be able to do any designing on your project, I might be able to do a little bit on Sunday the 26th, but I'm working away from today until at least the 25th and probably the beginning of that week. But there is a chance I've nailed this fairly quickly. So let's get into your design. I have received your photos now. I have, let's start with the basics. We've got 1, 2, 3 600mm wide bays and one bay formed of cut parts. So you can cut the hanging rails and the shelves to size. What it does mean is you can't have gliding components in this non-standard area. So I've allocated an area for waist height hanging. You could also create waist height hanging in this non-standard area, but I've set this aside for longer items for the time being. You've then got some drawers, gliding drawers, and I've shown some shoe hanging here. I've also, I'm just going to see if I can open that quickly. No, I've also created a version with an angled shelf here. I don't get the angled shelf. It just doesn't make sense to me. It's so inefficient with space. This solution is going to cost more, but it just uses the space so much better. And I've created both of those. I've recreated them on the Elfa planning tool. So what I'm going to be able to do is email you fully priced versions of this and a separate version C2 with the angled shelf here instead of the gliding shoe shelves. There's not a lot more to say about this. I'll put screen grabs of this on Flickr, and if you can sketch onto the here is that's the Flickr screen grabs. You know, you can download these or screen grab them. Just if you can find some way of marking up either the 2D drawings or the 3D screen grabs, it's much easier for me than trying to explain things verbally in an email what changes you want. But all changes are welcome. Just let me know what you think. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye.